In this video, I'll show you how to create an assembly for a corridor. A corridor is essentially a roadway. That roadway is going to have a given cross section to it. So to identify that, or to create with that, we need the correct tool palette. And right here next to tool space, that of these 6 right here, do make sure that this one is checked. This is going to be the tool palettes that we'll be using. And when you have that selected, you're going to see something like this for assembly. That has a whole bunch of different items in here on all sorts of things, from lanes and kind of a basic lane, what a shoulder might look like. You can get curbs, and then you're basically daylighting that at different points. But what we're going to do very quickly for ours is going to basically just do a basic lane here. So in that, basic assembly. So under assemblies here, they have some pre-assembled ones, and so we're going to take this basic assembly and we're going to find a location to basically put that. So it's asking for a location to put that. I typically put it right above wherever the profile is. So this profile here is defining where this corridor is going to go in, and we're going to put that in there, and you'll notice that we have all sorts of information about that. So this is the current roadway. You can see that we have a center line right in the middle, and that there is a crown to that so that the water will run off of that. Then you have a curb next to it. We have a little grass area, and then there's sidewalk, and then after the next grass area there you have a cut and fill section. So this is defining how it's going to be cut and how it's going to be filled. All this is adjustable. You can build this up from with each individual components, but in our case here we're just going to start with this one, and that will be what we use for our assembly.